Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So just starting on the weekly, and just a reminder, last week I spoke about the possibility of us forming a range bar for the week, and that's exactly what we've done. So we are still struggling in this zone, and we'll get the levels now, but we're really not getting going to the downside, and we're not getting going to the upside. So the highs and lows of last week are basically your key levels, because that is the top and bottom of the weekly range, but it extends a little bit further than just the weekly range. So bottom is, let's get it on there exact, bottom is 107.880, and then the top of the range is 108.897. So technically speaking, we need to break through one of those levels. So if we break to the upside, it's going to set a massive inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your double right shoulder. And if it breaks the downside, it's probably just going to form a wider range. It'll pick up one of these tails, one of these multiple levels here, and more than likely that one as its area for support. That would be 107.232. So that's the big picture. A 3 hour doesn't change much. You can see up, down, rejection happening at the top, buyers coming here, so no real signal brewing there. The 1 hour does change the tune a little bit because it's a break of all the moving averages here. And haven't quite tested this 108.453. So that to me looks like the zone you need to wait for a pullback onto. And it should be a relatively quiet day. So you can see we flirted with this level, but we never really came back and tested it and built proper structure on it. So we're looking for an inside bar or an engulfing bar or a pin bar on the level, not below the level like these bars are. We want the tail on the level. So 108.453, we want to pull back onto that before we see a move to the upside. The second opportunity is going to be a break and retest of 108.555. So just check. So the gap is closed. So this gap is now closed. So that's the other option, is a break of this little flag, and then we're looking for a move to pretty much somewhere between 108.825 and the weekly high of 108.897. So that's kind of the two moves that I have at the moment. Not really looking for shorts just yet. I think you're probably going to move up, and then it'll be a rejection, and then see if you can build a base, because then that should, by the looks of things, help us break that structure to the upside. Yeah, but we'll wait for some data this week. That should be the catalyst that the euro is looking for. So that's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.